Good morning, class fifth. What did we read yesterday? Which chapter did we do yesterday? Chapter 8. What was the name of the chapter? A Reverse Autobiography. It was reader chapter, A Reverse Autobiography. It was about Ganga and the river, which is known as Maru Ganga. What was the name? Luni, right? So today we are having grammar turn. Today we are doing chapter number 9 of your English grammar. The name of the chapter is word formation. Acha, what do you understand from the word formation? What is the meaning of formation? Banana, to create, right? To build. And we are saying word. What are words? What are words? Karthik, what am I asking? So tell me, what is a word? Word is letter? No. Jay? Very good. Very good, Siddha. So when there is a collection of letters, right? In Hindi you have swar and vyanjan. In English you have alphabets. So when you have collection of letters and they form a meaningful object, then that object is known as word. ठीक है? अब words हमने शुरू से पढ़े हैं, right? When we were kids, then we used to read words like cap, bat, mat, sat, right? Then we went on to other classes. We proceeded to class fifth, and now at least you know so many words, right? You read words everywhere in English, social science, everywhere, EVS, right? So how to make new words, how to build new words, this is the word formation. Clear? The first thing when we talk about a word is the suffix. What is the thing? Suffix. Now suffix क्या होते हैं बेटा? A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added to the end of the word to change its meaning. ठीक है? कोई भी ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स या फिर एक लेटर या ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स जब हम किसी वर्ड के एंड में लगाते हैं और उसका मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है, सो इट मीन्स इट इज अ सफिक्स. ठीक है? सफिक्स के लिए क्या कंडीशंस है? इधर इट शुड बी अ लेटर और इट शुड बी अ ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स एंड इट शुड बी पुट एट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड. ठीक है? ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये आपको बिल्कुल याद रखना है कि कहाँ पर लगाते हैं हम सफिक्स. एट द एंड ऑफ द word. Clear? Like football. Football is a word, right? We add er to it and it becomes footballer. Now football and footballer, are those different words? Tell me the difference between these words. Who will tell? Yes, Piyu. Okay, sit down. Karthik, football is a non-living thing. Footballer is a living person. Okay. So if I say football, it refers to a ball, right? It is the name of a ball. And if I say footballer, it refers to the person who plays football, right? Similarly, can you tell me any other word that is formed by adding er? Play, and play plus er is player. Very good. Then cricketer and fisher and gamer, and that's it. Farmer. Very good. Another ly, teacher, teach and er. Another is ly. When we have an adjective and we add ly, it becomes an adverb. ठीक है? Adjective क्या होता है? जब हम किसी चीज को describe करते हैं, noun या pronoun के बारे में जब हम बोलते हैं, that is adjective. जब हम उसमें ये suffix लगाएं ly, it becomes patiently. ठीक है? Like if I say there is an adjective beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective. क्या मीनिंग होता है ब्यूटीफुल का? सुंदर. And if I add ly to it, what is the new word that is formed? ब्यूटिफुली, ब्यूटिफुली मीन्स हाँ, खूबसूरती या फिर सुंदरता से, राइट? इफ आई एम सेइंग ब्यूटिफुल, मेक अ सेंटेंस यूजिंग ब्यूटिफुल. Raise your hands, don't speak like this. Only a single sentence using the word beautiful. Divyanshu, my mother is very beautiful. Okay, so it is an adjective for his mother, right? And if I say beautifully, तो beautifully से कौन sentence बना सकता है? Anyone? Yes, Jay. My mother works so beautifully. Now, अब जो beautifully word है वो mother के लिए नहीं है, किसके लिए है? उनके work के लिए, right? कि वो work beautifully करती है. If I say that, for example, Vrinda is a very beautiful girl, right? Vrinda is very beautiful. Vrinda sundar hai. And I say, she completes her written work beautifully. यानी उसकी notebook का work beautiful रहता है. Now the beautifully is the adjective for her work. ठीक है, जब हम किसी के work के लिए adjective use करें, then it is considered an adverb. Clear? क्या हो रहा है विवान? Last Harsh, stand up, beta. Tell me what is a suffix? What is a suffix? I need the definition of a suffix. Pragya. Group of letters are called suffix. Avik, tell me what is a suffix? Okay, sit down. Divyanshu, try. A group of letters and change its meaning is called a suffix. Very good. Vrinda, a group of letters that are put at the very good. Sit down. What was the first suffix that we read? That we read? First suffix? Suffix पूछ रही हूँ मैं, word नहीं पूछ रही. Er, right? What the words that became player, footballer, farmer, teacher, right? And what was the second suffix? Ly. And examples? Weakly, cleverly, beautifully, sorry, badly, happily. Okay. Now see, there are three suffix families. Okay, like you have a family, right? You have a family, you live with your family. Similarly, our suffix, they are not alone, they have families. Yeah. Like ly, it comes with an, what is a? Adjective. Adjective के साथ जब हम ly use करते हैं, it forms adverb. Okay. Another is any double s. अच्छा, any double s किसके साथ आपने सुना है? Weakness and darkness, emptiness, और इसकी बजाय भी बताओ. Sorry, clear, fitness and okay. And third, we have any word, we add ment to it and it becomes a noun, like environment or enjoyment, employment, argument, improvement. Okay, so these are the words that are commonly used. Harsh, give me two words that have meant at the last. खड़े होके भी ध्यान नहीं है. Speak louder. Kindness में meant कहाँ है? Devyan, peppermint is not a word for that. It is mint. environment and पहल very good sit J entertainment and environment J sorry Avik management very good argument sit down okay now pay attention here stop speaking Mita what happened Pez fill in the blanks with ly NESS or MENT meant both the friends went near them out of curiously or what अच्छा क्यूरियस से हमने क्या सुना है curiosity also very good the elephants laughed heart heartily okay HEARTILY heartily the children are full of enjoyment on the Shera. Boys, be quiet and listen to me patiently. Mr. Roshanlal was filled with excitement. The school is ours. Let's clean it carefully. Very good. Arav, stand up. Tell me the answer of this one. Only Arav. Enjoyment. Correct. Yes, Mishika. This one. Patiently. Correct. Fez. Excite. Excitement. Correct. Last one, Vivan. Carefully. Very good. Sit down. Okay. Now, first we have studied suffix. Suffix are the group of letters that are added at the end of the words to change its meaning. Similarly, now we have prefix. What is the word? Prefix. Suffix at the end of the sentence. Prefix at the starting of the sentence. Simple. Okay. A letter or group of letters added to the beginning of the word to change its meaning is called a prefix. ठीक है suffix कहाँ लगता था at the end of the word and when it is at the beginning it is called simple like mother and land. अच्छा these words are also known as something else right? Compound words very good. Over and come, to and they, somebody, this and order, disorder. ठीक है कंपाउंड वर्ड्स में तो बेटा दोनों वर्ड्स मीनिंगफुल होने चाहिए राइट तो लाइक मदर मदर का मीनिंग है वर्ड का लैंड लैंड का मीनिंग है राइट पर दिस दिस तो मतलब कुछ होता है दिस नो नो राइट so this is a prefix like this and order disorder this and like dislike and this and miss this and missile dismissal somewhere yes discover very good example disorder yes discomfort or uncomfort okay now look here test yourself Ashish stand up tell me the first one which word has a prefix dislike very good acha why not happily happily has a suffix which suffix ly very good acha darkness has a suffix what suffix ness choose the correct adverb form of easy easily which spelling this or this employment is formed from the word Employ plus ment, employment. Add the suffix ness to weak, weakness. Underline the prefix grand. कौन सा प्रीफिक्स कौन सा इसमें ग्रैंड है या फादर ग्रैंड चॉप ओवरकम टुडे वेरी गुड लास्ट these were the answers curiousness heartily enjoyment patiently excitement and carefully clear and these are the key points that you have to remember let me zoom it for you these are the keywords that you should remember suffix are added at the prefix are added at the adjectives plus ly form clever cleverly clever means नहीं पता चालाक और इंटेलिजेंट सिमिलरली ही इज वेरी क्लेवर तो ये ही इज वेरी क्लेवर किसके लिए आया एडजेक्टिव इज फॉर ही एंड क्लेवरली इज फॉर अच्छा नाउ पे अटेंशन है क्लेवर मीन्स चालाक और इंटेलिजेंट ही इज वेरी क्लेवर और ही वर्क्स cleverly Ashish what are you doing adjective plus any double s forms a noun like weak weakness verb plus ment forms a noun like employ y turns to I before adding ly like happy happily similarly if I say another word that is spelling okay can you give me another example in which there is y at the last and it turns to ILY no इसमें ILY थोड़ी आपको let me tell you that the first word should be something like an adjective happy happily merry merrily easy easily okay so this is all how you have to form the word there were two main things main takeaways from the lecture first is prefix and second is suffix prefix are added at the beginning of the word suffix is added at the end of the word and both of these change the meaning clear that is all for today thank you students